Learn to explore Australia with GeoWiki X. To access GeoWiki X Web, visit our website, or alternatively go straight to geowikix.cmca.net.au. To access all features of GeoWiki X, you will need to log in using your CMCA member login. GeoWiki X gives you multiple ways to search, including the quick search on the homepage. You can search by keyword, search by town, search by state, or search by map. When searching, simply type in what you are looking for, and you can narrow your search results by using the filters on the right-hand side of the screen. The most efficient way to search using GeoWiki X is by map. You can use the Locate Me button to find your current location. You will need to allow your browser to use your location. Or you can use the search box to find a specific area. Zoom in and out to explore an area. You can use the filters on the left-hand side of the screen to adjust what you can see. To view more information, just click on an icon and view more. From this page you can see reviews and costs and all information about the site. You can also add it to your favourites, add it to your trip, or submit more information